Hello, it's Jay here and welcome to another tutorial. In this lesson we're filling out the strike function, but first things first, we need to assign an audio clip. So I'm going to copy and paste this one from Impact Audio, and we're just going to change the naming convention to _strike audio, and we'll change the comment to strike as well. We'll save that off there, we'll downsize MonoDevelop, and we'll wait for the script to recompile. So now we can assign an audio clip, and I'll do that here. Again, I'm using public domain sound effects. Now you may want to use different sound effects, but I'm using these because they are copyright free for the purposes of YouTube. And we'll come back to the script. Now, filling out the strike function is going to be fairly easy. If I scroll down here, and I'm going to leave the impact block in view, because basically all we're going to do is copy the entire block from get component animation to here where we change the enemy state. And we'll just paste that in. So where we change the enemy state, we're going to leave that as it is, because once the enemy has tried to attack the player, tried to play an attack animation, I want the enemy state to reset back to initialize and then iterate through to the correct function. Here we're going to play random attack animations in the same way as we're playing random impact animations. So we just need to swap out the variable to attack animation here, and we'll just copy that and paste that in there. And we'll change the comment. So we're playing a random attack animation based on how many attack animations we have assigned. Now, we assigned our attack animations in an earlier video, and this will work. You know, I'm sure you will all have different amounts of animations, so whether you have 1 or maybe 6 or 7 attack animations, this line of code will still work perfectly. And now we just need to come to the audio block, and we just need to swap out the variable again. So we'll say if strike audio there, and we'll paste it in there and there as well. And as always, we'll just go through and we'll swap out the comments. So there, here, and twice more once there, and finally here. Whether you want the sound effect to loop or not is entirely up to you. I'm going to set mine to true for now. I may change that later, and we'll just save that off. Now we can come all the way down to where we have our on trigger exit and where we stop coroutine. Now once the player has left the sphere and the coroutine stops, we also want to make sure that the audio stops as well. And we can do this by one simple line of code. We'll say get component, and we'll open and close brackets, and as always it's of type audio source. We'll open and close again, dot, stop, open and close brackets, close the line off, and we'll put this into the comments. So we'll say stops all audio, and again we'll save that off there. Now we only have one function left to do, the dead block, but we can actually test the entire script out now. So we'll downsize MonoDevelop for now, we'll give it a moment to recompile, and we'll hit play. And I'm just going to come to my console tab so you can see the debug logs working. So there's our enemy. Now we can run. As you can see, it's played both attack animations. We'll go away. It's gone back to its run block. And we'll run all the way away. And the finite state machine stops. And so does the audio. So we'll stop that there. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And until then, bye for now.